This wonderful raita is made for the biryani, and we'll learn how to make this simple without cooking biryani. This is just curd. We'll be mixing it, and how we'll do it, we'll show it. Welcome to Jayasri Kadai Katha English. First of all, we'll do the peeling for this cucumber. I have taken two cucumber, and we will cut it into small dices. Cut into 1 by 2, then slide the knife under the palm. Similarly for the other side also. This way, then you have to cut it into sticks, long sticks, then cut it into dice. Not the chopped one, little bigger size. So hold it little in this size, and we'll do the cutting for all the cucumber. We'll take the onion also, and we'll peel it and do the chopping of this onion. If somebody want to know how to do the holding the knife and all those things, just give me a comment, so I'll make a video for how to handle knife and do the cutting. It is basically a very simple technique, but for a professional like Chef Bhuvan or from the hotel background, this is very easy to do. But teaching is important. I am taking the curd in a serving bowl. With a whisk, we will do the whisking of this curd. You may ask, sir, if I want to mix it in a mixer grinder, is it okay? I will always say no. Mixer grinder will make the curd thin. Always remember to whisk it on a with a hand so that it doesn't gives away the water. I'm adding the chopped onion and chopped cucumber, little salt to taste, and roasted cumin powder, and now we'll mix it. This raita is made for 5 people. That to biryani, what recipe we have shown, the chicken biryani for that, and we are garnishing with chili powder, chopped coriander.